Hi, today we are going to make egg surprise, a classic version of egg sandwich. For that, take a slice of bread, cut the center in a square shape. On a pan, heat some butter. Place the sides of the bread onto the pan. Once both the sides are toasted, you can flip over. Break an egg to the center of the bread. Make sure that the yolk is not broken to get a creamy center. I made this square shaped so that a larger part of the egg gets cooked by this way. You can season it with salt or black pepper or the herbs of your choice. Or you can use white pepper or chilli flakes. It's according to your wish. Place a slice of cheese of your preference onto the egg yolk and press it lightly so that it gets firmly attached to the bread. Place the cut piece of the bread onto the cheese. Flip this over so that the cheese gets melted on the other side. You can see the egg yolk slightly oozing out from the center of the bread. Once the cheese is slightly melted, you can remove from the pan and serve it with mayonnaise, olives, tomato or the herbs of your choice and a fruit of your choice along with tea or coffee. This is an easy breakfast that can be made. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked our video, please subscribe